dear all students, welcome back to our channel Gyan Manji Online Education. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. After long time we are meeting, maybe after 2 to 3 weeks we are meeting, so very excited to teach you. So in our last lecture, we had started our 7th unit from our supplementary teacher the NAC class. So we have completed our 4 to 5 parts about this unit, the necklet. So let's continue with this. So let's repeat first of all that what is the story. Maybe you have forgotten all the story. आप सब भूल गए होगी कि ये स्टोरी में क्या आता है. द नेकलेस, राइट? सो वन कपल वाज देयर, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस लिज़ार couple was there, and what happened with them we all know that. Which kind of party was there, they went in that party, and which kind of situation was there when they come at their home. जब वो अपने घर पर पहुँचे तब वो देखती है मिसेस लिज़ार that she had not necklace in her neck. सो तब वो बहुत सारे रुपीस खर्च करके वो नेकलेस लेते हैं. बहुत ही कॉस्ट उसका बहुत ही था. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस, लेट्स सी. फिर वो मिसेस लिज़ार अपनी फ्रेंड जिसके पास से वो नेकलेस ले आई थी उसे वो रिटर्न भी कर देती है. नाउ लेट्स सी फर्दर. Mrs. Forrester didn't open the jewel box as Mrs. Lazelle feared she would. So now when Mrs. Lazelle returned that necklace to Mrs. Forrester, on that time Mrs. Lazelle was little bit fear. Why? Because whatever necklace was that origin necklace she had lost. But यहाँ पे उसने मिसेस लिज़ार के पास जो नेकलेस था उसके फ्रेंड के पास से उसने लिया था वो तो गुम हो गया था. पर उसने जो खर्च करके दूसरा शॉप में से खरीदा था वो नेकलेस वो बॉक्स में रिप्लेस कर ले जा रही थी और उसने वो नेकलेस दिया अपनी फ्रेंड को. सो दैट्स वाई शी वॉज वेरी फियर. अगर उसे पता चल गया तो बिकॉज शी डिडंट ओपन दैट ज्यूल बॉक्स, हर फ्रेंड डिडंट ओपन दैट ज्यूल बॉक्स टू सी वेदर इट इज देयर और नॉट. व्हाट वुड शी थिंक if she should pursue the substitution? If she will open that jewel box and she would come to know that this is not my origin necklace. So what kind of which kind of pursue the substitution? So वो क्या मेरे बारे में think करेंगी, मेरे बारे में सोचेंगी. This kind of thoughts were coming in her mind. What should she say? Would she take her for a robber? If she would know that it is not the real necklace, so maybe she will think, Mrs. Forrester, she would be think that maybe she had robbed that necklace. And if she could know about this necklace, so what will happen? So let's go with new words. Pursue means become aware or conscious of something, come to realize or understand. Whatever Mrs. Louise was thinking, that whatever Mrs. Lazelle had that necklace from Mrs. Forrester, if she will become aware about that it is not the real necklace, whatever I had given it to her. Substitution means the action of replacing someone or something with another person or thing. The action of replacing something, it is called substitution. अगर वो उसे पता चल गया कि वो नेकलेस उन लोगों ने रिप्लेस कर दिया था. Let's go with next paragraph. Mrs. Lazelle now knew the horrible life of necessity. She did her part, however, completely heroically. It was necessary to pay this frightful debt. Whatever they had earned, they had to pay for that necklace. So they had debt for it. Now Mrs. Lizelle now knew the horrible life of necessity. अगर उसे पता चल गया कि वो उससे गुम हो गया है वो और वो सब उसने रिप्लेस कर दिया है और वो उसे चोर मानने लगी, तो which kind of life will be that? She was thinking about that life and what is the necessity of the life. So she was thinking about that. She did her part, however, completely heroically. It was necessary to pay this frightful debt. They had to pay. They both, Mr. and Mrs. Lizelle, they both had to pay that debt. She would pay it. They sent away the maid. Now, which kind of debt and how did they do to pay the debt? उन लोगों ने क्या क्या किया वो डेट को चुकाने के लिए? She would pay it. They sent away the maid. Whoever maid in her house, she sent away her maid. They changed their lodging. They rented some rooms in an attic. Now, which kind of debt was there? And it was very much amount, so they have to pay for so many years. We will see next paragraph. Now she is paying for it. Which kind of? They sent away the maid. They changed their lodgings. They rented some rooms in an attic. Now they changed their home from wherever they were living. They changed because it was maybe very that kind of house will be there. बहुत सारा रूम हो गए या फिर उन लोगों को बेचना ही पड़ा होगा वो डेट को चुकाने के लिए. And they rented some rooms in an attic. One place was there and they rented for living some rooms. Necessity, the state of or fact of being required. What is the necessity? We know the necessity. Now the frightful, very unpleasant, right? Because Mrs. Lizelle was that kind of lady who never think about that. She was very unhappy. She was becoming unhappy in her life. But whenever this kind of action happened, so her life was totally frightful, very unpleasant for both of them, serious or shocking. Her life was both's life was totally frightful, not happy, unpleasant or that kind of things. Lodgings means temporary accommodation. Then the next is attic, a space or room inside or partly inside the roof of a building. It's a part of room, it's a part of inside the roof of a building, right? It is called attic. Next paragraph we have, she learned the arduous work of a kitchen. Before that she had never come in her kitchen, but now she learned the arduous work of a kitchen. Which kind of work? She washed the dishes, she washed the soiled liner, their clothes and dish clothes, which she hung on the line to dry. So which kind of work was that? Because they gave they went that maid, so all the works of their house she has to do. So now she was learning and she learned the odious work of a kitchen. We all know that which kind of work is there in the kitchen or in the house. She washed the dishes, she washed the soiled liner, their clothes and dish clothes. This kind of work she has to do, she had to do, which she hung on the line to dry clothes. She washed the clothes, and to dry the clothes she has to hung on the line to dry. She took down the refuse to the street each morning and brought up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath, and clothed like a woman of the people. She has to go to the street at each morning for bringing up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. And which kind of clothes she was wearing? Like a woman of the people, she went to the grocers, the butchers and the fruiters. So she has to go to buy this kind of things and all with her basket on her arm, shopping, hanging sorry, it's not hanging to the last so of her miserable money. She had not that kind of money, so she had to do with whatever she had, hanging to the last so of her miserable money. Which kind of work she had to do? Odious means extremely unpleasant or repulsive, whatever she had to do in her kitchen. Haggling means dispute or bargain persistently, especially over the cost of something. जब कुछ हम खरीदने जाते हैं तो हम कहते कि इतना सारा इसका रेट है, थोड़ा कम कर दो भैया, थोड़ा कम करो. So this kind of bargaining was there. Sauce means small value coin in France. It's a value of a coin. Next paragraph. The husband worked evenings putting the books of some merchants in order, and nights he often did copying at 5 sous a page. And this life lasted for 10 years. They had lived this kind of life for last 10 years. This kind of work she did, and also her husband did, to pay their debt. At the end of 10 years they had restored all. At the end of the 10 years, whatever they had lost, they had restored all the things. So which kind of work her husband did? So her husband worked evenings putting the books of some merchants in order, and nights he often did copying at 5 sous a page. And this life lasted for 10 years. Next paragraph. Mrs. Lizelle seemed old now. After 10 years, how she was looking? She was looking like an old woman. She had become a strong, hard woman, the crude woman of the poor household, because the maid was not there, so she had to do all the work. So then she became very old. Now she is becoming more strong, hard woman, the crude woman of the poor household. And her hair badly dressed, her skirts awry, her hands red. She spoke in a loud tone. So which kind of changes we can see in her after 10 years, after doing this kind of works, and washed the floors with large pails of water. But sometimes, when her husband was at the office, she would sit herself before the window and think of that evening party of formal times, of that ball where she was so beautiful and so flattered. So whenever she was thinking about that party, every time she was feeling like that, how she was looking very beautiful, वो कैसे ब्यूटीफुल दिख रही थी और सब लोग उसकी तारीफ कर रहे थे about her beauty. She was thinking like that, but now she is not looking like that. She is little bit seemed like old, because after doing this kind of, and which kind of changing we can see. So she is becoming hard woman, she is becoming strong and crude woman of the poor household. But her hair badly dressed, her skirts awry, her hands red, she spoke in a loud tone. So she was thinking like that, because on that day she was looking very pretty, very beautiful, and all the people were सब लोग उसकी बहुत सारी तारीफ कर रहे थे. So she was thinking like that about those days. Crude means in a natural or raw state, not yet processed or refined. It is called crude. Ornaments out of the normal or correct position. Her clothes were so awry, not a correct position. Creases, maybe crease जब हमारे कपड़े में हो जाती है, so that kind of thing. Pals means a bouquet, flatter, lavish praise and compliments on someone. So all the people were giving her compliments about her beauty, her dresses, her necklace. So she was thinking like that. Next paragraph. How would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? Who knows how singular is life, and how full of changes, how small a thing will ruin or save one. So how their life is changing from the beginning of the story, and here we can see totally their life is totally changed. It's only because of that necklace. अगर उसने वो नेकलेस गुम ही नहीं हो जाता, तो अगर इस वक्त उन लोगों की लाइफ कुछ और ही होती, वो इस तरह से नहीं रहते. बट हु नोज, किसे पता है कि कब क्या हो जाता है. हाउ सिंगुलर इज लाइफ एंड हाउ फुल ऑफ चेंजेस. We could see so many changes in their life. How small a thing will ruin or save one. A small thing, a very small thing could save anybody's life, ruin their life or save their life. So she was thinking like that, and which kind of position, which kind of situation we can see in this story, for especially for both of Mr. and Mrs. Lazar, for both of them. One Sunday, as she was taking a walk in the Champs Elysees to rid herself of the cares of the week, she suddenly perceived a woman walking with her child. One Sunday, she was walking on the street, and suddenly she saw a woman who was walking with a child. It was Mrs. Forrester, still young, still pretty, still attractive. Mrs. Lazelle was affected. Now she saw one lady with a child who was Mrs. Forrester. वही ये लेडी थी who was her friend, Mrs. Lazelle's friend, Mrs. Forrester, who was looking still young, still pretty, and still attractive. Mrs. Lazar was affected. Should she speak to her? Yes, certainly. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? So now when Mrs. Lazar saw Mrs. Forrester on that time, she observed her that she still looks very young, pretty, very attractive. So she was comparing with her, and she thought that this kind of situation, whatever she had, it's just because of Mrs. Forrester. So first of all, she thought that whether she had to speak with her or not. Then she answered herself that yes, certainly she must speak to her. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? Uh, whatever they had paid, उन लोगों की लाइफ में जो उसने पे किया है, इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मिसेस फॉरेस्टर. सो उससे यह सब पता चलना चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी what happens in the next lecture. So if you have any query, you all are free to ask me anytime. Thank you.